How to use Cash App on TikTok Shop. In this tutorial, you will learn step-by-step how to use Cash App on TikTok Shop. The first step is to open or launch the mobile app, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Once you are here, look for the TikTok account where you would like to buy the items. After that, tap on it and go to the bio of the account. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Once you are there, make sure you tap on the link on the profile and then you will land on the TikTok shop of the account. Once you do that, a page similar to this one appears, where there is the checkout page of the app. The page has several options. From them, go to the payment methods options. There are several different payment options available here. From there, go to the one for the debit card. After that, in the card information field, make sure you enter your Cash App card details. After that, proceed and make the payment. In case you encounter an issue, make sure you report it to the Cash App support team. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to use Cash App on TikTok Shop.